My name is Elizabeth Andis, and I'm the Fund Development Associate with Blessings in a Backpack Chicago chapter. The goal of Blessings is to provide a weekend food for kids who rely on free lunch at school during the week, but are food insecure at home on the weekends. So in addition to the food that they're receiving, we want them to have the certainty of knowing that that food is going to be supplied to them every single Friday of the school year.
Hey bud, what's your job today?
Packing up and putting the boxes away. We need to fill all those boxes, even around the corner. There's a lot of kids that need food.
Oh yeah, don't put it here. Pretend I made this one.
So here in Chicagoland, we are feeding about 1% of the kids whose families are eligible to receive free lunch. So we would love to reach the other 99%. We are looking to continue raising awareness for this need, for the childhood hunger that's occurring here in Chicagoland, reach our mission of bringing that food and certainty to kids in need every Friday.
That was impressive.
Oh, the cleanup wasn't